Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to start differentiation of implicit function. It is another kind of differentiation. Normally we know if y equals to fx, we have done in previous class, y equals to fx, that is y equals to x square plus 3x plus 9 such things. We differentiate this dy by dx equals to 2x minus 3. But if you have function like this, y equals to fxy, that is y equals to 3x square plus 5xy plus 9y square, like this. Here is a function of x and y. This is y equals to fxy. This function related with x and y. This is called implicit function. So what is implicit function? When a function is expressed in terms of x and y, then it is called implicit function. Here a function fx, fy is related with x. It is not implicit function. This is implicit function. What is the definition? Let if xy equals to a be a function of x and y, such that y is not expressible directly in terms of x. Here y is directly in terms of x, but in this case y is not directly in terms of it, it is directly in terms of x and y. Then if xy equals to a is called the implicit function. What is normal function and what is implicit function? I think you understood. Now we are going to start few sums related with implicit function. Sum number 1. Suppose x cube plus y cube equals to 3xy. You have to differentiate it. Find dy by dx. If you ask, find dy by dx. Here, this is x, this is y. You have to differentiate it, and this is x and y. This is implicit function. So differentiating with respect to x, that is 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx equals to 3 is constant, this is u v, x is constant, dy by dx plus y is constant, x derivative is 1. You have to find dy by dx. Now we are taking dy by dx one side, remaining on other side. Here dy by dx, this is the coefficient 3y square. Here is minus 3x equals to, this is with dy by dx, this is coming left hand side, and equals to 3y minus 3x square. Then dy by dx equals to 3y minus 3x square by 3y square minus 3x. This is the derivative of this function. Now, sum number 2. If y equals to root over of 1 minus x square plus root over of 1 minus y square equals to a into x minus y. You have to prove that dy by dx equals to root over of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. We have to prove this. In this case, we put let x equals to sine theta and y equals to cos theta. Then theta equals to sine inverse x eta phi, cos phi. Phi equals to cos inverse y. Now put it here. Y equals to 1 minus sine square theta, that is cos theta, plus 1 minus cos square phi is sine square phi, that is sine phi. Now this y, this equals to this, equals to a, x is cos sine theta minus y is cos phi. Then cos theta plus sine phi by sine theta minus cos phi equals to a. Then cos sine, sine cos, cos sine, cos a plus b by 2, cos theta plus phi by 2, cos sine, cos sine, cos sine, sine cos, cos sine. This is cos theta, 1 minus sine, this is cos phi. One minus 3x sine theta y equals to sine phi. Y equals to sine phi. 1 minus sine square phi is cos phi. Then it's cos, sine cos, sine cos, cos a plus b by 2 cos theta minus phi by 2 by sine a minus cos b, sine cos sine, sine a minus sine the minus, which is sine phi. X equals to sine theta, y equals to sine phi. Sine theta minus sine phi. Sine minus sine, that is cos a plus b by 2 sine a minus b by 2 equals to a. This and this cancel. That is cos by sine, that is cot theta minus phi by 2 equals to a. Then theta minus phi equals to theta minus phi by 2 equals to cot inverse a. That is theta minus phi by 2 cot inverse a. Now what is theta? Sine inverse x. Sine inverse x minus, what is phi? Phi is sine inverse y minus sine inverse y equals to 2 cot inverse a. Now differentiating, sine inverse derivative 1 by root over of 1 minus x square minus 1 by root over of 1 minus y square equals to 0 into dy by dx, for y dy by dx. Then dy by dx into 1 by root over of 1 minus y square equals to 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. Therefore, dy by dx equals to root over of 1 minus y square by root over of 1 minus x square. Root. I am telling again, here x equals to sine theta, y equals to sine phi. So 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, that is only cos theta. 1 minus sine square phi means cos square phi, that is only cos theta, cos phi. My equals to a, x which is sine phi minus sine theta minus sine phi. There. And sum number 3. Question number 3. X root over of 1 minus 1 plus y root over of 1 plus x equals to 0. Prove that dy by dx equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. In this case, we have to transfer this right hand side. That is x root over of 1 plus y equals to minus y root over of 1 plus x. Now squaring both sides, that is x square 1 plus y equals to y square 1 plus x. Multiplying x square plus x square y minus x y square minus y square equals to 0. Now this and factorizing this, that is x plus y, x minus y, this and this, plus xy is common, x minus y equals to 0. Therefore, x minus y, x plus y plus xy equals 0. Here, x minus y, x cannot be equals to y, because if x is y root over 1 plus y root over 1, this cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, this is failed. Therefore, x plus y plus xy equals to 0. Then you have to get y common, 1 plus x equals to minus x. Then y equals to minus x by 1 plus x. Now differentiating this, dy by dx, minus is taking outside, 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x constant, this is minus. X derivative 1 minus x constant, x derivative is 1. That is minus 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. That is 1 plus x whole square. X is cancelled. That is minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So therefore dy by dx, therefore right hand side. Next, sum number 4. Question number 4. Sin y equals to x sin a plus y. X sin a plus y. We have to prove that dy by dx equals to sin square x plus a plus y, sin square a plus y by sin a. We have to prove sin square a plus y by sin a. This is given, sin y equals to x sin a plus y. Look here sin square a plus y. Then this time we have to take, this should be denominator. That is sin y by sin a plus y equals to x. Because u by v, if we do differentiate, now differentiating respect to that then x equals to, we can write this. Then differentiate respect to y, differentiating with respect to y, then dx by dy, u by v, that is sin square a plus y, sin a plus y is constant, sin y derivative cos y, it is not dy by dx, it is dy by dy. If you have different respect to x, then dy by dx. It should only d cos y, then minus sin y is constant, sin this a derivative cos a plus y. There should not be dy by dx. This is dy by dy because differs with respect to y. This is coming, look here, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, that is sin a minus b. A plus y minus y by sin square a plus y cancel, that is sin a by sin square a plus y. This is dx by dy. We want dy by dx. Therefore, dy by this will be reciprocal. Therefore, dy by dx equals to sin square a plus y by sin a equals to right hand side. In this way, we can prove. Look here, there is numerator denominator dy by dx. First of all, we took x, then dx by dy, then we reciprocal dy by dx. We can get easily. Next, sum number 5. Question number 5. Sum number 5 is y equals to root x plus 1 by root x plus 1 by root x. We have to prove that 2x dy by dx equals to 2 root x. In this case, we have to do addition. Root x is LCM, x plus 1. Then root over of x into y equals to x plus 1. Now differentiating respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. This is u, this is v. Root x is constant, dy by dx plus y is constant. Root x is derivative 1 by 2 root x equals to x is derivative is 1. We want dy by dx. So this should be left hand, this will come here. This is 1 plus 0. Now root x dy by dx equals to 1 minus y by 2 root x. If we multiply root x both sides, because we want this root x into root x is, so if we multiply root x, this into root x. Therefore, x dy by dx equals to root x minus y by 2. Root x minus y by 2. We have to find this plus y. So, that is equals to 2 is LCM, 2 root x minus y. Then 2 is coming here. 2x dy by dx equals to this. Therefore, y coming left hand side. Therefore, 2x dy by dx plus y equals to 2 root x equals to right hand side. It is proved. Sum number 6. Question number 6. Cos x plus y equals to y. Cos x plus y equals to y sin x. You have to find dy by dx. You have to differentiate it both sides. This is cos x, this is chain rule, cos theta derivative minus sin x plus y. Then chain rule, x plus dy by dx. Derivative in chain rule equals to y constant sin x derivative cos x plus sin x constant y derivative dy by dx. Now we are taking dy by dx one side. This into dy by dx, that is dy by dx is common, minus sin x plus y, and this is coming minus sin x. This is dy by dx equals to y cos x minus this into this. This is coming right hand side, that plus x sin x plus y. Then dy by dx, x sin x plus y cos x over this minus is common, sin x plus y plus sin x. This is the differentiation of this function. Next, sum number 7. E to the power x plus e to the power y equals to e to the power x plus y. We can write this equals e to the power x into e to the power y. This coming down, that is e to the power x by e to the power x into e to the power y plus e to the power y e to the power x into e to the power y equals to 1. Dividing both sides. Then e to the this and this cancel, this and this cancel. That is e to the power minus y plus e to the power minus x equals to 1. Now differentiating respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. E to the power derivative e to the power minus y, or for y minus dy by dx plus e to the power minus x into for minus x, this is minus, equals to 0. Then this is coming right hand side, that is e to the power minus x. So minus dy by dx equals to e to the power minus x by e to the power minus y. Therefore, dy by dx equals to minus e to the power minus x by e to the power minus y. We can write e to the power y by e to the power x. That is the final answer. Final dy by dx. Next, sum number 8. Log of root over 1 x square plus y square equals to tan inverse y by x. Power, this means power half. We can write this to the power half. Half will come first. Half log of x square plus y square equals to tan inverse y by x. Then differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, half is common. Log x derivative 1 by x square plus y square. In chain rule, inner portion, it is 2x plus 2y dy by dx. Left portion. Write it tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus y square by x square into, then chain rule y by x derivative, that is x square, x is constant, dy by dx minus y is constant, x derivative 1. This is in bracket. Then half of 2x plus 2y dy by dx over x square plus y square equals to, this will go up, x square by x square plus y square into x dy by dx minus y over x square. Look here, this and this cancelled, this x square cancelled. Then 2 is common here, that is x plus y dy by dx equals to only x dy by dx minus y. Now derivative is coming left hand side, that is dy by dx y minus x equals to minus common x plus y. Therefore, dy by dx equals to minus x plus y by, we can write minus x minus y, minus plus. That is x plus y by x minus y is your final answer. Sum number 8. Then sum number 9. Question number 9 is here. Xy equals to tan xy. Prove that dy by dx equals to minus y by x. It is implicit function. We have to take xy. X is constant, differentiating respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x constant, dy by dx plus y constant, x derivative 1. Tan x derivative x square xy. Similarly, xy derivative x dy by dx plus y into 1. That is taking common dy by dx. Here is x and here is this minus x sec square xy equals to sec y sec square xy minus y, right? Then dy by dx, here is x common, 1 minus sec square xy, here is minus y common, 1 minus sec square xy. So dy by dx equals to minus y 1 minus sec square xy by x 1 minus sec square xy. This and this cancel. Therefore, dy by dx equals to minus 1 by x. That is your right hand side. Next, sum number 10. This is very good sum also. Y log x equals to x minus y. You have to prove dy by dx equals to log x by 1 plus log x whole square. In this case, you have to choose it. Here, y 1 plus log x equals to x, then y equals to x by 1 plus log x. Because if we do derivative, whole square will come. Then differentiate respect to x, dy by dx 1 plus log x whole square, 1 plus log x is constant, x is derivative 1, minus x is constant, denominator derivative 1 by x. That is 1 plus log x minus 1 by 1 plus log x whole square. 1 cancelled, that is log x by 1 plus log x whole square equals to right hand side. So dy by dx equals to left hand side equals to right hand side. Sum number 11. Cos y equals to x cos y plus a. Prove that dy by dx equals to cos square y plus a by sin a. It is just like previous sum. Similarly, we can write cos square y plus a. You have to write cos y by cos y plus a equals to x. That is x equals to this. Now difference in respect to y. Differentiating with respect to y. That is dx by dy. We differentiate with respect to y. That is cos square y plus a. Cos y plus a is constant. Cos y derivative minus sin y. There should not be dy by dy. This is dy by dy because dx by dy is doing minus cos y is constant. Denominator derivative minus sin y plus a. There should not be also dy by dx. Only one. That is this minus this should be positive. That is, look here, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. That is sin y plus a minus y by cos square y plus a. Y cancel. That is sin a by cos square y plus a. It is dx by dy. We have to prove dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is reciprocal. That is cos square y plus a by sin a equals to right hand side. Is proved. Now please look through these sums, and if you like this my episode, please subscribe and like it. Okay, thank you.